Hi guys, Arlan here. Welcome to my vlog. Today guys, I'm gonna change my headlight bulb on 2015 Ford F-150. So I'm gonna use the LED lights. I'm gonna show you guys how easy to change the headlight bulb and to install the LED lights here at 2015 F-150. So I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way. So the first thing that you need is you need the impactor if you got one. If you don't have, just wrench is okay. And you're gonna use the 5.5 millimeter socket. So you need this one, and you need a tie. You're gonna need a tie. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do here. You're gonna tilt the steering wheel to your right, because you're gonna take it, you need to access that thing in there. So you're gonna tilt on the right side. So it's tilt already. Now you can work on these things now. Here you go guys. So you need to take it out, this bolt here and this one here. Yeah, this one here, you need to take that out, and that plastic fastener and this bolt here too. So you're gonna tilt your steering. You're gonna do like this, your tire in here, and that's it. Now, so this is the easiest way to take that out. One more here. You're gonna take it out too. So I remove already all the screw in here. So I'm gonna take it out, this plastic. There you go. This is the plastic one, guys. And now it's time to access. Yeah, it's gonna be like that one, right? That's how you're gonna access your bulb over there. Look like, right? So you're gonna put that one over here. There you go. Then you can access those lights. That's your low beam cover. So that's our low beam lights, and then you need to take it out down. Okay, just twist it. There you go. Now it's pretty easy. There you go. quite easy, that one, guys, right? And here is our H11. So you're gonna watch out here. There's a positive and negative here, so you need to watch this one. Get a pattern here. So what you're gonna do is, yeah, the red one here in the plug, that's the positive one. So there you go. Then we're gonna test it, guys, because we're gonna make sure this is gonna be works. There you go, guys. Now it's working. So make sure you're gonna check first before you're gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back now. Take that out. Yeah, it's good. Now it's working. Then it's good. And guys, we're gonna put it back, the bulb cover. Taking this out here, right? And the lights. This is a lot of work, guys. This is a lot of work. That I show you is really easy. There you go. It's all finished now. So I'm gonna check, secure. This one is secure too. This one is secure. That one is secure too. There you go, guys. So you're gonna tilt your steering here, right? You're gonna tilt like that. Okay, you do it at the same side. So you're gonna just repeat that procedure. Take it out, these bolts here, 1, 2 and 3 in here. You're just gonna repeat now at the same time. So that's how you're gonna change your headlight bulbs in Ford F-150 2015. There you go, guys. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe down below. If you like this video, give me some likes and thumbs up, and hit the bell button so you got notified when I upload my new video.